RehearScore now allows show owner or creative team members to make a tempo change to a specific range of measures. Go to the Score tab and tap anywhere you see a plus button located throughout the page. Tap the tempo option at the very top of this new window that will open. Using the plus or minus buttons, or the slider, determine the tempo value and select the from and to measures that you would like to adjust. A warning message will appear if your requested tempo change overlaps with an existing change, or if your selected from measure is located after your selected to measure. You're also able to use your keypad to type in the adjusted percentage or tempo number. Tap the blue check mark to implement your request into the score, and when you're ready, tap the three-dot icon in the upper right corner and select Save for these changes on your device only. If you're ready to publish these changes across all users' devices, tap Publish and select Use Local Changes.